everybody follows this man already, but you already know.
Hotshot Macc. Hey, not everybody, man.
All right.
We getting there a little bit, but
he's a big boy.
Hotshot_Macc on Instagram, Hotshot Macc on YouTube. Follow me. You know, still learning, still growing. Appreciate you guys.
Yeah, got the clubhouse.
Yeah, we just started the clubhouse. If you guys look, man, call hauling, you know, anything hotshot. You know, we're talking business plans, business startups, dispatching, brokers. You know, that we're kind of using it as a community to bring, you know, individuals in that have knowledge and to share their experience, man.
I joined yesterday.
I saw that, man. Yeah, I saw you came in, but it looked like you had to go out. You probably loaded.
Yeah.
I saw you. I saw you there, man. That's what's up.
Hey guys, what's up? Today we got a special guest in the house. Hotshot Macc.
What's good?
It's your boy Hotshot Macc in the house. Yeah.
So they both say
What's the pressure on both of them?
both say about 80 psi.
80, yeah.
So what's that, under? YouTube, what's up? Is the video?
Well, you know, maybe, I don't know. If the video comes out nice.
What's going on? Yeah, hey man, the commander himself, but I'm learning so much in such little time. It's crazy. I appreciate it, bro.
This guy's giving me too much props here. Too much props.
It is what it is, man. Like, hey, experience. You've been in the game much longer than I have, so I appreciate all the knowledge, man.
He's out here in New England, guys. Right now we're in Connecticut. We're at the TA on 84, the first TA going eastbound. So this is where we at right now. He got a little taste of New York.
It's Northeast.
New Jersey.
Bro.
DC. He got a little taste of it. You know what I'm saying?
It's crazy.
Yo, the GPS is telling me to make an exit and then not take the exit. All right.
Put that out here, bro.
All right, guys. So he runs a Dodge 2500 diesel. And it's looking pretty clean. And then he has a PJ, I think it's a 32 footer. So this is a PJ 32 with, this is a 14,000 pound rating. That's what he said.
Bro, I got the same issue on this side.
What is it?
The same indentation on the
oh, you got it?
outer wall.
Yeah.
It's right here as well.
We're checking out his tires real quick. Yo, how much you pay for the truck when you bought it brand new?
The truck was 61.
You bought it brand new?
Bought it brand new.
61. How much you pay for the trailer?
Trailer was 7,700.
77.
Yeah, it's a 32 foot straight deck with 7K axles.
Yeah. So you're 70,000 into just the truck and trailer. 70,000 roughly.
Yeah. I mean, bought this cash, financed that. But yeah, right around 70,000, man.
Yeah. So
you just go that way.
so he wants to buy the $7,000 truck now.
Yeah. I mean, bro, it doesn't make more sense.
Now I'm gonna help my boy here get his CDL though, and then he can make. And then he has options. He can do whatever he wants at that point. But
shit, you already gave a connection to that
website.
The website.
Yeah. The whole test. So I gave him the website. It has the whole test for the CDL, so that way it makes it a little bit easier. But so how much? So you told me this load was $2.10, I think.
Yeah.
210, and it's 5,000 pounds. I think it was.
Yeah, it's around paying around 210, you know, including the deadhead on it.
Okay.
5,100. You know, it would have been nice to, like you said, have a partial on there, but I think I picked this up around 3 o'clock, 3 p.m.
So there's no time to pick up something else.
It's like, yeah, it's hard, you know, to find time, and I had dropped off another partial in the morning, so.
So how much was it paying? What's the total price?
2,000.
2,000 from where?
2,000 from Lexington, South Carolina.
Yep.
So that's around 700 and something miles, but then of course with the deadhead, or a little bit over 800, I might be wrong. But then with the deadhead, of course, it brought up to like 8, 8 and something. 890.
That's not bad though, man. You're including the dead head. That's not bad at all.
Yeah, I try to always include my dead head.
Yeah.
Kind of, you know, trucks rolling, so.
And how long have you been doing this now?
I've been doing this for 6 months, bro.
6 months. Fresh.
Today makes about 6 months. Tomorrow is the exact day.
Today's August 13th.
The 14th. Is it today the 13th?
13th, yeah.
So the
tomorrow?
15th, exactly. The 13th is when I left my house with this setup and headed to Tennessee to do my orientation, because I'm leased on. I decided to go leased on to kind of, you know, get the experience, learn as much as I can.
Bro, that's a great way to get your feet wet, man. That's a great way.
Yeah, get my feet wet, because, I mean, I didn't really know much about the industry, bro, and it was like, let me not just jump out. I could have done that. A lot of guys do that, but I wanted to go out there, test the waters, get a feel, learn like I'm doing right now, meeting people like you and just learning.
Well, a lot of guys go with the other way, like, you know, they go to not that company. Let's see, I don't see any here, but you know, they go with the bigger
like
bigger
Swift
companies. Yeah, Swift, JB Hunt right there in the back.
JB Hunt.
JB Hunt, and they're making less than you though, and you have, you know, you got a little payment on your truck, but that's not that bad.
Yeah.
How much you paying? Like $1,000 a month?
I pay $1,000 a month. You know, I did a video on my channel breaking kind of down my
I remember that.
And shit, but
guys, for a rookie, hold on. For a rookie, man, this dude is, yo, he's killing it, guys. He breaks it down. I mean, he's a real entrepreneur. He knows his numbers. The first rule of business: know your numbers. If you don't know your numbers, bro, you got no respect in any meeting that you're gonna sit down. No one's gonna respect if you don't know numbers. And this guy, he's on his numbers. Yeah, this dude, man, I like him, man. He shows respect. He knows his place. You know, he doesn't lie that he's a rookie, and there's no need to, man. You know, even myself as a veteran, I still learn stuff every day. I don't care.
Yeah,
you know, but
have that mentality, man, and you know, respect others that have been doing it. You know, soaking a lot of information as you can, and
behind a great guy, there's always a great woman.
Yep. So I got
this
a strong
dude
woman behind me that also.
This dude got a strong woman that's always there. She's, you know, she's always present.
Yep.
I see her putting in the work too, just like my wife.
Things in the works, man. So
yeah,
we got some things in the works.
Do you want to say what's going on next or no? You don't want to. That's
not
cool.
yet. All right. Yeah. I like to have things solidified, and then it's gonna happen, but.
Yeah.
We'll keep y'all in suspense. Let's say.
So you got a couple things going on, you know, a couple fresh stuff in the pocket hiding. So
sure, man.
So you're gonna be out here. But yeah, guys, that's what it is. How much do you gross roughly a week? If you wanna say it.
I
like numbers.
Between 5 and 7K a week.
5 and 7K. I'm a numbers guy, so I'm all about the numbers.
Yeah.
You know?
I mean, my best week was right up to almost 8,000.
Nice, bro.
So 7,675 to be exact was my best week so far. I could have had 8,000, but if some of y'all know, they smashed into my window. I had to divert. You know, I had a load that was supposed to go to the PA that would have put me right at 8,000, but the universe said, nah, bro, it ain't gonna be that easy. Yeah. So it is what it is.
I'm gonna mention one thing though. So I have a group on WhatsApp, a Brazilian group. It's a bunch of drivers, mostly car haulers. And one thing that we're talking about this morning is this guy was asking me, like, what's better, you know, freight or car hauling? And one thing that I told him is, when you're hauling 3 cars, you're most likely always gonna be overweight. Guys are gonna hate me for this. You know, I don't care. You guys can bitch at me down here in the comments. That's fine, but that's the truth. You only have about 11,000 pounds to haul when you're hauling cars on your trailer, right? So a typical car weighs between 3,000 and 5,000 pounds. Like your truck, you know, empty, you're gonna weigh about 6,500 empty. Right. So we can't take 3 of your trucks if you're non-CDL. But your trailer fits 3 of your trucks. Right. So now you're tempted to do that. You're tempted to drive at night when DOT's not around or whatever. So usually those guys are always overweight. I did it, I was overweight. My boys are still doing it, they're always overweight. But with what you do, you have a better chance of not being overweight, because you can take a little crate that's 500 pounds, 1,000, 2,000, 3. It's all over the place. With a car, there's only 3 cars that you can fit. There's only 3. There's only so much weight that a car can be. So, did you know that, or?
I kind of knew that, man. I kind of knew about that whole like being overweight, you know, and like what you've been saying. I'm still learning as I go, so a lot of that knowledge is new, but the freight, like especially with this type of setup that I have, I mean, it only makes sense for me to do freight over vehicles.
Yeah. But to get that 5,000, 5 to 8,000, man, that's not bad. Being legitimately because I know this dude is not running. No, I'm overweight. I'm legit, bro. Like legitimately running under 26. That this is this right here, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's if you want to be legit under 26,000, right here.
Don't get 7K axles.
All right, we just had a long conversation about 7,000 pound axles. I hate them. They drive me nuts because they suck.
Bro, that shit.
Yeah. So his tire is having he's having some wear sign,
man, but it's like, yeah, you can see like the indentations where it's...
Yeah, so he's having a wear sign on his tire. And guys, this trailer is brand new. This is a 2021. Let me show you on the other side because you can see it.
Brand new.
This is brand new, so it's not his fault. There's nothing wrong that this man is doing. He's not running overweight. And look, and I was literally just talking about it, how I hate 7K axles. And you can see the indentation. So this is a brand new trailer, brand new tires. It's not this guy's fault. And now I want you guys to let him know why is it doing that, because I told him he's gonna get 1,000 answers.
Let me know, man. I'm just
let him know, guys.
I'm just a rookie out here.
If you guys know the answer, because I got 1,000 reasons why that would happen, but if you guys know the answer, let us know.
Drop a comment, man.
All right. Hey guys, I'm gonna get out of here. He's gonna get out of here because we gotta go make money. So actually, let me show you guys my load before I get out of here too. He's not the only one with the one pick, one drop. I got the one pick, one drop right there too. Yeah, so this load right here is paying me 1525, 400 miles. And it's like 383 a mile. So 383 a mile right there, guys. One pick, one drop, obviously. You out of here?
Yeah, I gotta get out of here, man. I might see you up in Boston. I don't know. Maybe we get lunch.
No, we're definitely gonna meet up in Boston.
Yeah, I gotta go pick up and go drop this off and then run up to, I forgot where it was, right above Boston, go pick up.
North Andover?
Yep.
Was it? Yeah.
Yep.
So he's gonna be right above Boston.
Getting
it's like
the feel of the Northeast.
Yeah, definitely. You like seafood or steak?
Seafood.
Seafood?
Yeah, but when I say seafood, I ain't talking about like shrimp, and I eat probably like catfish, po' boy, yeah. I don't, unless it's got to be fried shrimp or something. But I don't really get into
he's a
like
southern boy.
Yeah, I don't get into like fucking scallops and all that other stuff, man. Like, I didn't grow up on it, so.
Yo, quick story. I lived in New Orleans when I was for Katrina when I was younger, and I didn't know what a po' boy was. So I went to a sub shop, and I look in the menu, and it said like po' boy shrimp and po' boy this, and I'm like, what is a po' boy, man? I was trying to figure it out, and I was ashamed of asking because I was young and stupid. I was like 19, and then finally I figured it out. It just means a sandwich. I was like suffering there for no damn reason.
I've been there before, man.
And you gotta learn how to say it the right way. It's only one word. New Orleans.
New Orleans?
You gotta say it as one word.
New Orleans.
New Orleans.
New Orleans. Yes, sir.
New Orleans. All right, guys. See you guys later.
All right,
peace.
Deuces, man.